Jawaharlal Nehru Port Authority Special Economic Zone drives industrial growth with strategic land allotment. Gujarat government signs 23 Memorandum of Understandings for proposed investment of 1 lakh rupees crore ahead of the vibrant Gujarat Summit 2024. Exim Group celebrates 3 decades of exemplary international logistics leadership. Jawaharlal Nehru Port Authority and Briham and Mumbai Custom Brokers Association holds orientation session for skill development at Vadwan Port. DP World Cochin launches new SIG service to expand connectivity to Southeast Asia and the Middle East. BCBA, FIEO and Air Cargo Customs jointly holds Authorized Economic Operators Seminar cum Webinar. Northeast is the powerhouse of India's cruise towards self-reliance, Sarbananda Sonowal. Port of Antwerp Bruges and CMB. Tech launch the Hydrotug 1, world's first hydrogen-powered tugboat.
Stay connected, stay ahead with daily Shipping Times news.